Hello everyone, my name is Didier Zali. I contacted Care International to help me with the software that we're going to be using for our weighing operations in the Gambia here for Gambia Payroll Corporation. The software is very good, it's doing the work efficiently, and their service is very good. So I'll highly vouch for it and advise anyone who wants to go into this application to really contact them because their service is really awesome. 24/7, they are available for you. As you can see, this is the software is currently working, and this is the weighing bridge. We managed to connect this weighing indicator to this computer to automate the process so that you can print here. And as you can see, this is the ticket right now. The ticket from the weighing system that we managed to have gotten from the printer, and that is the weighing bridge behind over there. So, like I said, I will highly vouch for this software. If you really want it, you can just contact the telephone number below.